Jain friends, most welcome in New Catholic Mission School YouTube channel. I am Yogeshwar Kahar, PGT teacher of chemistry. Today we discuss about third unit of class 12, electrochemistry. First we clear about electrochemistry basic principles. Every electrochemistry discuss about oxidation and reduction reactions. So first we memorized what is oxidation, what is reduction. In class 10th, 11th you already memorized those those chemical substance which give H plus ions are called acid, and those substance or chemical compounds which give OH minus ions are called base. Okay, base. But reduction is what happened about reductions in electrochemistry. In class 11th also discussed in I think 8th chapter redox reaction, oxidations. Okay, oxidation. If oxidation number increase, oxidation number is increase in chemical reactions, so its oxidation process. In reductions, same changes, oxidation number is decrease. Okay, so it's reduction. Give some example about oxidations like that. Here Pb, its oxidation number is 0, but after some time it release 2 electrons, then convert into Pb2 plus. Now its oxidation number is plus 2. What happened here? Oxidation number is increased. Okay, so 0 to plus 2 increase, it means it is a oxidation reactions. Okay, clear? Then reductions. Suppose here copper 2 plus ions, okay, accept 2 electron, then convert into Cu solid. Okay, so what happened here? Oxidation number is plus 2, then here 0. It means oxidation number is decreased. It means this reaction is called reduction reaction. Okay, I think you clear what is oxidation, what is reduction. In oxidation reaction we show electron in product side, but in reduction we electron show in reactant side. Okay, you memorized this point. In oxidation state we show electron in product side. In reduction reaction electron show in reactant side. Okay, chale. Next is we discuss some more example of oxidation and reduction. Suppose that I say to you, written oxidation reaction for zinc. Okay, you mention your copy, reaction for zinc, written it. Okay, oxidation. So we know that in oxidation reactions electron present in product side. Okay, so we mention electron here, and again we know that zinc valence is 2. Ab you think about that, sir, how I know it? I say to you now, you one time memorized. Okay, zinc valence is 2, so 2. Then if zinc remove 2 electrons, then it's converted into 2 plus charge. Okay, zinc convert into zinc 2 plus with removal of 2 electron, so it's oxidation reaction. Clear? because we discuss in electrochemistry maximum about the cell, and every cells have two types of electrode. One is anode and second is cathode. In anode, oxidation reaction is occur. Then in a cathode, reduction reaction is occur. So we clear if about oxidation reduction. So it's very easy to understand electrochemistry. Clear? According to electrochemistry, cell are two types. Okay, we discuss about cell. Clear? Cell are two types. One is electrochemical cell. Then second is electrolytic cell. Clear? First is electrochemical cell and second is electrolytic cell. Both are different and opposite type of cell. First we discuss about the electrochemical cell. What is electrochemical cell? A cell in which chemical energy converted into electrical energy is called electrochemical cell. What I say to you? Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Clear? In this cell, your chemical energy convert into electrical energy. And what already I said to you, here electrolytic cell is the opposite of electrochemical cell. So its definition, a cell in which electrical energy converted into chemical energy are called, is called electrolytic cell. So electrical convert into chemical. Clear? Electrical energy convert into chemical energy, the type of cell called electrolytic cell. Then electrochemical cell, also we have one more name is galvanic cell, voltaic cell, etc., etc. More than name of electrical cell, electrochemical cell. Okay, we discuss about its manufacturing of electrochemical cell. In electrochemical cell, we have two different containers with different electrolytic solutions. First is copper sulfate with have one copper electrode, Cu electrode. Then next is ZnSO4 electrolytic solutions with zinc electrode. Clear? Then copper work as a cathode. Then zinc work as a anode. Okay, both electrodes joined with the help of voltmeter for detection of moving of electrons, passing of electrons. Then both container or both electrolytes connect with each other by the salt bridge. It's a salt bridge. Clear? It have in this salt bridge we feel agar solutions with KCl, agar solutions with KCl. So it's called salt bridge. It connect both container with maintain the neutrality. Neutrality means solutions not move here to here, then here to here. So salt bridge maintain neutrality with both copper sulfate and zinc sulfate solutions. Okay, then electrode joined with each other by the voltammeters. It's the manufacturing of electrolytic cell. What happened here? When we dip zinc rod in zinc solutions, so some reaction is possible. According to electrochemical series, zinc is more reactive comparison to copper. So zinc show oxidation reaction, in anode. Okay, so we already discussed about zinc convert into Zn 2 plus and 2 electrons. We already clear it. Okay, then next is cathode. Okay, next is cathode. Cathode is copper. So here Cu2 plus ions which present in solutions go on electrode and accept some electron, then convert into copper and deposit X electrode. So Cu2 plus ions present in aqueous solutions, okay, accept 2 electron, then convert into Cu solid. Okay, then here zinc electrode dissolved in zinc solutions, Aq. Clear? So after some time your anode is dissolved fully in zinc sulfate solutions. Okay, then after some time copper is maximum deposit at cathode, so you change your both electrode and again reuse the electrochemical cell. Okay, so both reactions occur in electrochemical cells. One is anode, second is cathode, and full cell reaction is Zn plus Cu2 plus, then Zn 2 plus Cu. Here we not mention in full reactions electrons because some electron present in product side, some electron present in reactant side, both quantity is equal, so we cancel to each other. So we mention here only Zn plus Cu2 plus, equilibrium conditions Zn2 plus Cu, because both convert to each other and perform the cell reactions. Okay, I think you have no doubts. What is then electrochemical cell, the electrode potential is 1.1 volt. Electrode potential, it means EMF is 1.1 volt. Yeah, or electropotential also, EP is 1.1 volt. We discussed about what is different between EMF and electrode potential. You already discussed in physics EMF and electropotentials. Okay, if we connect to electrode with external electric source, so if external source E external is minimum to 1.1 volt. Okay, first we discuss about normal conditions. Okay, here anode oxidation reaction is occur. Okay, what happened here? Zinc convert into zinc 2 plus ions with removal of 2 electrons. This 2 electron is stored in this electrode on this electrode. So maximum electron are present on anode electrodes. So anode convert into negatively charged, because negatively charged electrons quantity is maximum to on this electrode. But at copper site Cu2 plus charge come here, then accept 2 electrons. So what happened here? The electron present with copper electrode, so always minimum because copper 2 plus ions go, then accepts give me 2 electron, give me 2 electron, then give me 2 electron. So here electron quantity is minimum. So now its charge is positive. So potential difference create here, electrons here maximum and here minimum. It's called electrode potential. Then we connect to each other by voltameters, ammeter, etc. So electrons move from anode to cathode. Okay, and we already clear that electricity direction is always opposite to motion of electrons. If your electrons move in this direction, anode to cathode, so your I electricity move cathode to anode. Okay, in your book we have 3 different diagrams for that with different sides, directions of electrons and electricity I. First, if we connect it to external energy, suppose E external is minimum to 1.1 volt. So this condition is same, no changes. Your electrons move anode to cathode and electricity move cathode to anode. But your external energy is maximum to 1.1 volt. So this reaction is changed. Now electrons move from cathode to anode. Then electricity move anode to cathode when where E external is maximum to 1.1 volt. Okay. Then if suppose your external energy is equal to 1.1 volt. If your external energy is equal to 1.1 volt, so what happened here? No reactions occur. Okay, so I is equal to 0. So I is equal to 0, no electricity is formed. Okay, in previous year, before 2 or 3 years before, some questions is also asked here. When in galvanic cell I is equal to 0, so when E external is equal to 1.1 volt. Okay, Daniell cell, Voltic cell, galvanic cell, all are all name are same with electrochemical cell. Okay, so next is representations of cell. Okay, representations of cell. We discuss about electrolytic cell in next video. Okay, cell representations. First, ठीक है, cell representations. Why I written here cell representation? Because in chemistry, if we always draw large size of cells, so maximum time is waste. According to cell representation, we mention all physical cell in cell representation in very short forms. Okay, you used one salt bridge with connecting of both electrode solutions, electrolytic solution. So salt bridge mentioned by double vertical line. Okay, salt bridge, clear? This salt bridge we mention in center of cell. Then left side, LHS side, we mention oxidation reaction, no problem. Okay, then right side RHS, R reduction reaction, okay, reduction reaction and oxidation reaction. Suppose we mention again galvanic cell. We know already about galvanic cell, two types of electrode. One is zinc, so at anode, zinc 2 plus with removal of 2 electron, then cathode Cu2 plus with accept 2 electron, then convert into Cu. Clear? So we in cell representations we mention here salt bridge, and LHS side we written here oxidation reaction. Where is oxidation? Here. But how to written in cell representation? Again, we mention one vertical line for change the phase, for change the state, okay. So we mention one vertical line, okay. Then here you clear that zinc present in its solid state. When it's dissolved in aqueous solutions, so it's converted into Zn2 plus ions. Then again copper 2 plus Aq, then solid is Cu2 plus, okay. Then how to written anode electrode? We first clear now here Zn convert into Zn2 plus charge. Then here mention Aq, then here mention S, okay. So we written here oxidation Zn S convert into Zn2 plus then Aq. Clear? Then cathode electrode Cu2 plus Aq convert into Cus. Done. We mention here reduction Cu2 plus electrode Aq convert into Cus. Okay. This presentations is called cell representations. We mention here representation because first cell presentation is a instrument of cell. Then we mention here representations, cell representations, because that type of diagram is very consumes large times. So we discuss about now cell representation always, okay. Chal, next, according to this cell representations, we find electrode potential or EMF of cell. How? We have one formula, E cell is equal to ER minus EL, okay. R means RHS site, L means LHS site. So we in future we discuss about at this equation E cell is equal to ER. Suppose I mention here ER copper, so we mention Cu2 plus Cu solid, okay. Then LHS here minus E LHS, what happened here? Zn convert into Zn2 plus charge. Clear? Okay. Again we discuss about hydrogen electrode, okay, in our next video, and some more numericals problems, Nernst equation, etc. in chemistry, electrochemistry. So we discuss our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.